Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make baked buffalo wings. So let's get started.
I've got here 1.5 kilos of chicken wings which I have cut at the joints, removed the tips, washed and dried using some paper towel. 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. And for my buffalo sauce, I've got here 1 cup of sweet chili sauce, 1/4 cup of chopped butter, half a teaspoon of garlic powder and half a teaspoon of chili powder. Preheat your oven at 200 degrees for a fan-forced oven and 220 degrees for a conventional oven. Take your wings, add paprika, pepper, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, baking powder and corn flour and mix it well to coat the pieces. Take 2 baking trays, spray it with some cooking spray, line it with some baking paper and spray some more cooking spray again. Place the wings in a single layer on the lined baking trays and spray it with some cooking spray. Bake it in the oven for 1 hour, turning them after every 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take the wings out of the oven, turn them over and bake it for another 20 minutes. After 40 minutes, take the wings out of the oven, turn them over and bake it for another 20 minutes. After 1 hour, take the wings out of the oven, transfer them into a dish and put it aside while we get the buffalo sauce ready. Place a pot on medium heat, add butter, sweet chili sauce, garlic powder and chili powder. Give it a mix and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, give it a mix, turn the heat off and pour the sauce all over the wings. Mix it well to coat the wings using 2 spoons and it is ready to serve. My baked buffalo wings are ready and you can make it and serve it to family and friends on its own or with some chips or salad. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.